Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back. My name is Ariel and in today's video I'm sharing with you guys a few more Dollar Tree Halloween DIYs, but one of these was actually a fail, so keep watching to find out why. This video is a part of a challenge called Small Creator Sunday. It's hosted by Broke Girl Aesthetic on a monthly basis, and I am so excited because this month I am the co-host and the theme is spooky season. The links to her channel and the playlist will be in the description. So first I'm going to show you guys how I made the candy dish that you saw in the beginning. I'm just using some of these mini buckets from the Halloween section at the Dollar Tree and this this dish from the floral section. On this channel, I share DIY, home decor, and home improvement projects on a budget that includes Dollar Tree hauls, shop with me's, thrift flips, and a whole lot more. So if you guys are interested in that sort of content, it would mean so much to me if you guys would consider subscribing and joining me on this journey. Here, I just wanted to show that if you guys weren't going to give out candy or don't want to put candy inside, this could also make really nice Halloween decor as a candle holder, probably better as a flameless candle holder or like an LED candle holder, or you can put other decor items on top like I did. In the next DIY, I'm going to spin off of the X-ray technique that I used in an earlier Halloween DIY video, and I'll leave the link in the description for that video as well as in the cards. But basically what I did was I created a spider X-ray wall art by just using a simple painting technique. And I'm going to show you guys pretty much the same thing here, except I'm reversing the colors to create a shadowing effect with this, what is he called? With this Dollar Tree wooden skeleton. Now, when you go to glue him down, you do not want to glue him all the way because you are going to peel him up like you see me doing here. After you put the next color on, then you want to take him off, so don't put too much glue because he's only going to be there temporarily. And you could also use something like poster putty or painter's tape if you feel more comfortable, and also make sure that you spray the second color on from above for this shadowing technique to work properly. On the right here is basically my inspiration for this DIY. So it's basically supposed to be like a haunted hotel vacancy sign or a haunted hotel welcome sign. That was the theme that I was going for. For this last step, I just splattered on some gold paint because I just didn't want it to be plain black and white. I wanted to add in another color, and the metallic color went with my decor, but you can't really see the gold splatter right here, but you will see it in the final photo in a minute. But I was thinking as I was doing that, if you did want to make this even more spooky, depending on what your decor style is, you could do that splatter in red so that it kind of looks like a blood splatter if you want to make it extra spooky. And for those of you who aren't really sure how to create this splattering type of technique, I'm going to try to describe it as best I can, but basically you want to hold your brush over your surface, and then with your other hand, your index finger, you want to just put your finger tip underneath of the brush and then flick it upward, and that brush should create a splatter effect onto your surface. And here is my fail project. So if you guys have been watching my videos, you recognize this from the same video that I was talking about before. Again, that will be linked below. And I was originally creating a candy dish. I didn't like the direction it was going in, so I decided to use the upper half, the bowl half, in the previous DIY, and you can see how that turned out. And then this part, the skull part, I am getting ready to epically fail at creating a Halloween snow globe. So let me explain. In a minute, you're going to see me glue these spiders onto a sort of clear top. And in the Dollar Tree's instructions, they want you to add glue to that clear water barrier before you basically reassemble everything. They want you to glue that back in. It just comes popped in, but once I added the hot glue to the outside, which the instructions said to do, it just did not fit the same way on the top. I mean, on the globe, if that makes sense. So mine's leaked, but I still wanted to share this project because I think honestly if I didn't add the glue it probably would have worked. But even if you don't want to make a actual snow globe, I still think the structure of it looks really nice for a faux crystal ball, because I've seen those DIYs going around. But I wanted to make it a little bit more interactive and have it be a snow globe. It just didn't work out for me. Don't follow the Dollar Tree's instructions. Don't add the glue to the little clear part. But I still think this was cute and I wanted to share it. Let me know in the comments if you guys would still try this DIY, even though I completely failed at it, even if you guys would transform it into one of those crystal balls. Let me know in the comments, and also like this video if you guys liked what you saw today, and let me know also in the comments what your favorite Halloween candy was, or if you guys didn't celebrate Halloween or don't celebrate it, what is your favorite candy overall? I have to say mine was probably Skittles, but I'm really curious to know what yours was. Make sure you guys check the links below in the description so you can see what all the other amazing creators did for this Halloween challenge, and support the creators that are under 1,000. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.